In this video, we will learn about numerals and digits. So, what is a numeral? When one represents number in mathematical symbols or names, they are called numerals. It can be a symbol, figure, or a group of figures or symbols. So, the number is an idea, and the numeral is how we write it. For example, 138, that is 138, is a numeral. In the same way, 5, 78, 15, 18 are all numerals. Now, what is a digit in a number? Digit is an element of numerals. It is a single symbol that makes numbers. In Hindu-Arabic numerals, set of 10 symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that represent numbers in the decimal number system. We write the word pen by combining three letters P, E and N. In the same way, we write number in mathematics. For example, 138, a numeral which is a combination of three digits, that is 1, 3 and 8. Digits in math are like alphabet in English, where the letters A to Z are different symbols. These symbols group together to form a word, which is like a numeral in math. This word stands for an idea, and this idea is like a number in math. In short, digits are numbers from 0 to 9. Numerals are symbols or group of symbols to show a number. Numbers define quantity, that is how much. Let us take two digits 1 and 5. We can write two numerals 15 and 51 by combining the two digits. This numeral 15 shows the number 15 and the quantity of 15 looks like this, that is 15 squares. In the same way, the numeral 51 shows the number 51 and quantity of 51 looks like this, that is 51 squares. Here I will show you Hindu, Arabic and Roman numerals one by one. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Roman number system does not contain the number 0. Chinese numerals looks like this, and the Eastern Arabic numerals looks like this. Now the difference between number and digit. There are unlimited numbers. Digits are limited. Numbers start from 0 and end at infinity. Digits start from 0 and end at 9. Every number is not a digit, however consists of digits, but we cannot always call it as a whole as a digit. Every digit is a number which is a single digit number. The largest number cannot be defined as they are consist of infinite numbers. The largest one digit number is 9. The smallest number is 1. However, 0 is the smallest whole number while 1 is the smallest one digit natural number. The smallest one digit number is 1. Now some simple question and answer. What is the biggest digit? The answer is 9. What is the highest number of 3 digits? The answer is 999. What is the lowest number of 4 digits? The answer is 1000. What will be the value of 25 if we interchange its digit place? The answer is 52. Now try this.